What I have always experienced in the Mexican culture is the ability to try and want to try. That the absorption rate, we share, we speak, we'll try, and we're excited to go through it. I can remember going in plants, and I talked about Yamada-san, our sensei, and we'd go through and have a discussion, and he'd walk on the floor and we'd all talk about it, and by the time we left the plant 4 hours later, they would have done a rearrangement. You couldn't find that in an American plant. Could not find it anywhere. And they would be so proud to call them back and look, so this is what you had mentioned, and this is what we thought about, and here's what we did. It was just about learning, right? And not every time did they get it right, but they tried something, and that was the point. So, I found it all through Mexico, that the ability to want to try and do it is there. And I think it's because there's a difference in the management structure and how it was developed. Disadvantage. I also think because of that, the same nature is if we don't teach the perspective of the bigger picture, you could do a lot of churning that way. Because you take one idea and you run with it, but it's called like spotting. You're really not going in any direction, you're just doing a whole bunch of activity. Right, so, and I don't think it's a disadvantage, I just don't think it's something that has been focused on over a long time to teach the bigger picture while you're doing this. I think once you connect those dots, by far, Mexico's going to fly because it just has that ability.